welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. So these are long overdue. They came in a little bit late because they were part of a December shipment, and they, everything that I was sent in December didn't come till January. However, these are boxes from GlobeIn. Now, one of these boxes I paid for, I don't know which one, and one is an influencer box. So GlobeIn reached out to me with a wonderful special for you guys if I would showcase the box that they sent. Since I'm not sure which one is which, I'm going to show you both, but I know you guys don't mind because the more the merrier. It's so fun to see what's in these boxes. And you guys know, so GlobeIn is a company that provides really a living to people in other countries that maybe have been struggling. So it's a global, there's all global brands. I've gotten items in here from Mexico, from India, all over the world, and they're always like handcrafted goods. Sometimes there's also like food items in here. So we've gotten some rice, which I just used a bunch of rice the other day. It was delicious. That came from, I think, Kenya. And there's pottery. Oh, the pottery's gorgeous in here. And then I've gotten a lot of like stemware and glassware, also just gorgeous. I think what I'm going to do is, as I collect it, keep it in my curio cabinet once I get my dining room set up. So we're going to open both of these boxes, and as I'm opening them, I'm going to tell you about the special, and then I'll remind you guys about the coupon that I have for you guys at the end as well. So there's going to be a special link. My code is Southern Yankee. So you're going to click that. You're going to put my link inside. Or you're going to put my promo code link, whatever it is, Southern Yankee, in the box. It should ask you for it. And if you subscribe for a 3-month or longer subscription, then you're going to get 50% off your first box, which is incredible. I can't remember quite what the price of this box is right now, so I'll put it up in the corner here for you. And but you'll get 50% off of that as long as you sign up for, what I do is I just have it set up for like a monthly reoccurring thing. You can pause it if you need to. You can pause it too for like 2 or 3 months and select when you want to re-up it. So if it's a bad month financially and you can't do it this month, just hit it on pause. So easy, so convenient. All right, so I got a little card. This says color your world. I wonder if this is a hint to what's in here, because look at those glasses. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, let's see what we got. All right, everything is always wrapped up so nice. So it does, oh yeah, chili picante plantain chips. Oh goodness. So I know what plantain chips are. These have 140 calories, but they have like a chili picante sauce, and they're probably spicy. I'm not sure. I'm not a big spicy girl. I'm going to let Robert try it and tell me if it's too hot or not, because I'm a big baby when it comes to spice. So here we are, chili picante plantain chips. The plantain's kind of like a banana, but they got like a little chili flavor. They're probably delicious. They're probably delicious. So we're going to look at that. And actually, does it say who did what on here? So this is what I got. Okay, so Bridget, she's actually in the USA. She first became with the Women's Bean Project in September of 2019 while in a halfway house. So Bridget is involved with this. It's Women's Bean Project is the name of this company. And Bridget works there, and she is a USA worker. Then we have something that looks beautiful and so my color. That was just completely lucky. So this is coming from Turkey. And this is by Güler Suka, and this is a Kapraz Turkish Towel, and he said this is a small town in Denizli, Buldan, has historically boasted production of the finest hand-loomed cottons in the world. So this looks beautiful. Is this a blanket, a towel? I'm not quite sure yet. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. So this could be a throw. It could be a throw for your couch or whatever. Or I'm thinking the way this is, that this would be beautiful on a table. I wonder if this, I have a round, no, is my table round? No, it's square. So this might fit on my kitchen table. Really pretty. So I'm going to check that out and see if it'll fit on my table once I clear that off. Then it looks like we got some coasters, and I needed new coasters, and these are so cute. So these are, they look like little orange or lemon slices, but they're hand carved in wood or hand burned in wood. And there's 2 of them. Let me show you. These are really nice. Really nice. Those are so stinking cute. Okay, so the coasters are from Javed Alam in India. And it says, say hello to Javed Alam. Javed is one of our wonderful woodworking artists and partners based in India. He's 48 years old. All right, so you can go get more information about each of the items and the person who made your items, which is really, really cool. But aren't those beautiful? So they look like little orange and lemon slices. And I love the wood, the color of the wood and the graining, gorgeous, really beautiful. Those are going right in the kitchen. These must be our stemware, our glasses. I'm so excited. Also, just while I have you guys, these boxes, I use them because I rescue cats. And so I make litter boxes out of these for the little baby kittens and I'll reuse them. But look at the inside of this box. I mean, you could do a lot with this if you're a crafter. These are absolutely beautiful. Every box is different colors. So, so pretty. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. I think we're gonna have a couple new like juice glasses. These would be great to have out on my patio in the mornings as it starts to warm up. We're gonna do a lot outside again once the weather warms up. Oh, and these match another one that I have. Look at how pretty. Pretty, pretty. Oh, it looks like to me like a opalescent. So nice. And there's one more. And then we got a whole nother box. So this is a lot of fun. My mom tried to steal some of my stuff. She took some of these boxes. She liked those pretty boxes, and I gave her a couple of things that she wanted that I had like extras of. So here we go, guys. Here are my 2 new glasses. These would be beautiful in our bedroom too, because we have like a light baby blue, almost like a cloud blue with white furniture. And we always get thirsty in the middle of the night. These would look beautiful if we could clean our side tables off on mine and Robert's side tables with a coaster, just to have a glass of water at night if we're thirsty. So, but look at how pretty. Oh, are they not stunning? Just stunning. All right, so let me move these. I'll be right back and we'll open this next box. All right, let's get into this big box. The other fun thing about this is once you're a member, you get member discounts. They have like a shop that you can go in. Every month there's, well, first of all, let me back up. So every month there's a theme. And you can get your theme, you can get a preview of your theme, or you can pick, have it be a surprise. And there's several different types of themes that you can select from. So let's say I was getting the bath one, or they had a kitchen margarita one theme, or an ice cream theme, which is one we got before, and you wanted a different theme for that month. You could pick a different theme, or you could turn it into credit. And I don't know, I think it's like either $30 or $50 credit. And you can save that credit, and they have these beautiful, like really nice pieces. Like I've gotten a couple of like hand blown pictures. In fact, I have one I'll show you here in just a minute because I think it's out. And you can save up your credit to get some of those nicer items in the shop. So when we're finished looking at this, oh, actually the picture I have is right on the top. So I'm wondering if this is the one I got. I may have an extra picture, which is fine with me because these are gorgeous. Makes my iced tea. All right. That's what I think this is, actually. Oh, and it's heavy. Some more goodies in there, too. And so this is the GlobeIn party box. So I do think that that's what is inside here. Yeah. Yep. It looks like we're going to get the picture in here. And this is a striped iced tea pitcher. It is from Mexico, from Gerardo. And he is only 18 years old. And he, in 2 years, has been a helper to apprentice in the fine art of glass blowing. So this is providing him a living. And he's only 18 years old. And I will tell you, the one that I have, I use it so much. I use it mostly for, to put fresh flowers in it, like bouquets of flowers because it's so pretty and like French country-ish. But I can use one for flowers and one for tea and drinks for us. All right. It's a box inside a box. I don't know if they're the same size or not, if one's smaller than the other. Made in Mexico, right on the bottom. Yeah, this is the same one that I had. This is so beautiful. Look at how beautiful. If I don't need to or I don't have room for two, I may give this to my daughter. She just moved in with her boyfriend. I'm going to go grab my other one and show you. Hold on. All right, here is mine. Or maybe this was mine and this was the new because this one doesn't look as clean. So, but here are the pictures. They're almost exactly alike. They're beautiful, beautiful pictures. This one has a little bit more white on the top than this one. And you can see this one has a wider neck than this one. But that's the difference of, you know, their hand. Ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. That's fun. But that's the difference in them being hand blown. So beautiful. All right, so that's kind of our main item in here, the hand blown pictures, but there are a couple other fun things in here. So let me get these out. We have some tea, and I think I'm going to go ahead and make a pitcher of iced tea when we're done. I think this is tea. Yes. So this is green tea by Level Ground Trading right here. Looks like it's coming from India, but let's just double check that. Where's the tea? Where's the tea? Oh, there's a recipe for red, white, and blue sangria on here. That's exciting. Here it is. Okay, so this is Tulsi Tea. It is from India, and it says the central piece to any tea party, aside from the tiny sandwiches, is the tea. Your tea was grown by a man named Samswar in the prominent tea region of Assam. Very cool. Samswar has been growing and processing green tea for decades. In 1976, he was officially registered as a small tea grower who operates his very own tea garden. Not only was he the very first person in Assam to receive the status and pioneer to the economical and ecological practice of small tea growing, he has also pioneered the practice of growing organically, so it's organic. Excitingly, other growers in the region are beginning to follow his lead. Very cool. So I'm going to make some tea from our friend here, Samswar. All right. Then we have what looks to be a little lantern. So this would be a great set to make some tea. So I can use the little glasses. This is going to be iced tea that I just got. And actually they're nice because we have coasters, and all of this will go really, really nicely together. And sit outside, have some iced tea. And I think we have a little lantern, which I think you could put a candle in or something. Oops. I think hold on, I got a boo-boo on mine. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. Okay, one of the little glass pieces just slid out. So this is a beautiful little handmade lantern from India as well. Really detailed and beautiful. And then it has like a little, you can lock it to shut it. So let me bring this in and show you. Look at and that is real glass in there. It's not plastic. I know, because I just fixed the one that was loose. Really, really pretty. And I bet it's gonna be stunning with a little tea light candle put inside, which I wonder if that's what this is here. I think it is. Oh, there's two of them. Okay. Let's put one in. All right, hold on. I'm going to get a candle. Hope I trimmed it enough. I did trim it. And it's got air. It's got, these are all little holes for the candle flame. Look at how pretty that is. This is so, so pretty. All right, I love that. I'm gonna set that right over here on the side table and enjoy that little lantern. And then it looks like there's one more thing. Oh, let me tell you. So that was made in India. I want to tell you who, what the girl's name was that made that. Okay, so that was Farzana Parveen, and she's 37. She's a mom of 4 boys, and she's the manager of her house and de facto cook at all family functions, and she's the creator of your new lantern. When she was married, she did not know any handicrafts, but her husband showed her the way, and today they've established their very own workshop. And her society forbid her from studying past the 8th grade. As she was the eldest in the family, her family placed her in an arranged marriage at the age of 22. Lord, I am so glad we don't have that here in the U.S. Although she was unable to fill her own desires for her education, Farzana's dream is for her sons to be well educated, and her work in the workshop gives her agency in making this dream come true. And it says, place a candle inside and bring some romance to an evening tea time. All right, and then we got what looks to be a garland, a pom-pom garland, and this is from Nepal, and it says, nothing says party time like some pom-poms. So you could use these for birthdays or any little event. I'm going to keep this in here, but it looks like they're made of, it's felt, it looks like wool, but it's felt, and it's handcrafted in Nepal by the Women's Cooperative. Here we go. And it says, use our beautiful felt garlands to decorate your home and office and feel their wonderful energy and freshness. The vibrant, colorful felt gardens celebrate life, beauty, and all the positive things that surround us, making them a truly unique and inspiring gift to give yourself and loved ones. So I think these would be really cute to string up for like a birthday party or tea time outside, something in the spring. You can put those on the deck. Very nice. All right, guys, so that is my box for the month of January from GlobeIn. I will have my link below and I'll have my code below. Be sure to put the code, use the link and put the code in so that you do get 50% off your box if you're signing up for a monthly subscription or at least signing up for at least 3 months of a subscription. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to ask me any questions. If I can answer them, I will in the comments down below. And if you're new here and you want to follow me in other places, I am on Instagram at Southern Yankee 15. I am also on Facebook. We have a group page called Southern Yankee. Feel free to join us over there as well. And don't forget to follow GlobeIn. I do believe they are on LinkedIn. Not LinkedIn. I use LinkedIn every day for work. Instagram. I will put that down below as well as if they are. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys all real soon. Bye, guys.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 어쩌다 너와 나